Greetings everyone and welcome to Coffee Black, where the Voyager adventures continue on YouTube. I'm your host, Captain G, and this is the channel where you get your refill of everything Star Trek Voyager related, from trivia, news, reviews, and more. So before I talk about today's topic, I'd like to encourage new viewers to subscribe to the channel, also check us out on X, formerly known as Twitter, and visit our Facebook page for more Voyager content. So today's Model Monday, and I'll be doing an Eaglemoss diecast model review. Today's ship we're going to check out is the USS Excelsior. For those who are unaware, the Excelsior did appear one time very briefly in the Voyager episode Flashback. It was a nice little Easter egg and throwback to events that happened in Star Trek VI, The Undiscovered Country. So that is why it is part of our Voyager-related ships. Computer access file Excelsior model Alpha. Alright, so today we have the USS Excelsior. Have a magazine as well. Really happy about that to add to the collection. Go ahead and check it out. Very, very cool. Excelsior eventually was captained by Sulu, and of course made an appearance in Voyager, which is why I'm adding it to the Voyager related collection. Very, very nice schematics there. That is very, very cool. Lots of detail and information about the creation of the ship. Very neat. Of course, shows the ship on the back. Alright, on to the model itself. Surprisingly enough, I did not get this on a traditional website. I got this off the Facebook Marketplace. Huh. Oh no. I guess that's what I get for getting it from there. Look at that. Well, fortunately, this looks like this is something that can be glued, so I'm not terribly upset about this. This is inevitable. This can potentially happen regardless of where you order stuff from, so keep that in mind. Sometimes you can have issues with ships arriving and them being damaged. USS Excelsior says on that. So I'm going to do my best to review this despite the obvious issue with the saucer section. The saucer section itself is all metal, and it looks like the rest of the ship is plastic, including the nacelles. So that probably has something to do with why this detached in the first place. I don't know if this is a common issue or not with the Excelsior, but considering this is all plastic and that's all metal, I mean, it's not a very good combination of two pieces, to be honest. The detail is really, really neat. So it shows USS Excelsior NCC 2000. Underneath shows NCC 2000. Doesn't show the name or anything down there. Or on the nacelles. That was a later edition. Still a very nice ship. It's just I can kind of see why it kind of fell apart. So let's see if I can get this on the stand in one piece. Looks like this got scratched up a little bit. This was definitely a second-hand ship. This was not brand new. Yeah, this is going to attach to the saucer section like so. Surprisingly, it's remaining attached for the most part. I'll definitely do a little bit of super gluing though to keep the saucer section attached to the rest of the ship though. Still a very neat ship. Very, very cool and a nice throwback to original series Trek films. Oh, it's going to fall apart. Well, there you have it. That is the USS Excelsior. Hope you guys enjoyed the video and all the quirks that happen sometimes when you're filming model videos like this. If you enjoyed the video, please drop a like and also comment in the comment section below. Let me know what you think of this model and what models you'd like to see in the future. I'd like to thank you guys for watching. Take care. Live long and prosper.